Happy Friday. We've made it through the end of another week. We just got this last lesson to go. Now this week we've been learning about number lines and what comes in the middle and what comes before. Today we're going to learn about something else, but before we do that, I want to make sure we know what our number line is. So let's take a look at our number line again one more time. Okay, here are our number lines. We've got, what number is this? 0. And what number is this? 10. Now look, they're all lined up on their little lines, just like we had our pencils on the floor at school to know where we line up. They know where to line up too, right? And they all have to be in order. If they got out of order, would it make any sense? No, it'd be all crazies. We want to have them all in order, so we're not going crazies, okay? So we got to make sure they're in order. Let's double check. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're in order. Woohoo! That's great. And even our big numbers down here are in order, so they have their own little lines to stand on too, which is an amazing thing. Now let's go over again real quick looking at our numbers. What's in the middle? So if I point to numbers 4 and 6, can you tell me what's in the middle between 4 and 6? That's right, it's number 5. 5 is in the middle between 4 and 6. Let's do one more real quick. I'm going to do a bigger number. I don't know if you can get it. Ready? Ooh, these two numbers, 16 and 18. Can you tell me what's in the middle between 16 and 18? That's right, it's 17. 17 is in the middle between 16 and 18. Great job. Now yesterday we talked about what is before. So when we're looking at a number, like let's say number 2. Number 2, what is before number 2? Remember, it's 1 to the left. So what's 1 to the left? It's number 1. Let's try with 2 more numbers. Let's try it with number 9. What is before number 9? Remember, it's just 1 to the left. That's right, it's number 8. Good job, my friends. Now let's try it one more time with one of our bigger numbers. Let's find one right here. Ooh, 13. Ooh, what number is right before 13? It's 1 to the left, so we're going to go whoop, whoop. Oh, there it is. It's number 12. 12 is before 13. That's awesome. Now, today we're going to learn about what comes after. And to help you, I want to show you some cool dolls that I have. They kind of look like women from the Navy because my mom was in the Navy. There we go. There's my ladies all lined up. Now, how many dolls do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 dolls. And are they all arranged in height with the smallest being over here on the left and the tallest on the right? They are. So it goes from small, bigger, bigger to biggest. That's pretty cool. But for now, we're just going to look at only 3 of them. Now, when we were talking about the middle, we need to know where the shortest and the tallest were, so we could find the one in the middle, who was right in between short and tall. And when we were looking at before, we had to look at the one that was right in front of it. So if we had them standing in line, we could even turn them so they're standing in line. Look at that. You can see which one comes before. So that one's in front of this. And this one's in front of that. The middle's in front of the back. But today we're going to talk about what comes after. So we can still have them lined up sideways. So they're facing the door. Now, when we look at our front one, our little one, the one that comes after is the one that comes right behind it. So the one that comes after the little one is our medium. And what comes after our medium? Our tallest. That's pretty cool. And we can do it even if they're facing the front this way too. But what happens if I switched out my little for my big? Are they in order? Nope. I can't have my biggest, my littlest, and then another one over there, a bigger one. I have to put them back in order. There we go. Now they're in order. So now we've got our littlest, our biggest, and our middle. So what came before our middle one? The littlest. Now, we're going to talk about what comes after again. Ready? So we're going to start with our littlest one. What comes after our littlest one? Goes 1 to the right. Our middle. And what comes after our middle? Our biggest. That's pretty cool. Now, how does that relate to numbers? Let me show you. We're going to look at here. Here's 4 and 5. 4 is our front number, and 5 is right behind it, so that comes after it. So we're going to have 4, right after 4 is 5, and right after 5, we're going to move 1 to the right, it's 6. How cool is that? Now, does that work with our bigger numbers? Let's find out. Let's look at 10. If we were counting, we can always just count up more. We can go 7, 8, 9, 10, and right after 10 is 11. Or we can look at our number line and just go 1 to the right, and there's 11. So now looking at 11, what is after 11? That's right, it's here, it's 12. It's just 1 to the right. How cool is that? Are you guys ready for a game? I have a game for you. It's the game we played before, except there's a slight twist. Let's count how many cards Miss Jen pulled out. You ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 cards. That's not too bad. Can we figure out what numbers they are? Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. Wow! They even made sense with the numbers for the number of cards. That's kind of cool. Well, with this game, you guys have to close your eyes and cover your eyes because I don't want you peeking. That's right, no peeking. Okay, I'm going to hide one of my cards. Don't look. I'm going to hide one of my cards. Okay, friends, you can look again. Now I've hidden one of my cards. Let's see what cards I have showing. Ready? 1, 2. What card should be here? It comes after 2. Well, if I forget what that means, I just go back to my number line. Let's see. Here's 1 and 2. So we have to go 1 to the right after 2 to figure out what comes after 2. Ready? What number is that? It's 3. That's right. Let's see if we're right. We were. And look, it wasn't really hidden. It was there all along. How cool is that? You guys ready for another round? Okay. I'm going to pull out another set of cards. Whoops. There we go. Okay, let's look at what, one of my cards is already hidden. Oh no, we have to figure out what it is. Let's look at what cards we have face up. Ready? What number is this? Number 5. And what number is this? 6. Okay, well, I don't know what comes after 6 yet. Let's look at our number line. Where's my number 5? There's my number 5. And where's my number 6? There's my number 6. Okay, let's see. 6 came after 5 because we go 1 to the right after 5 is 6. So let's go 1 to the right after 6. What number is that? It's 7. That's right. Let's see if we're right. We were right. It's number 7. Good job, friends. I've got one more set of cards. Let's look at them. Okay, friends. We're still missing one number. What are we going to do? Let's see. What number is this? 8. And this one? 9. Okay, here's my 8 and here's my 9. What number came after 8? Go on to the right. It's 9. And what number comes after 9? It's 10. That's right. So hopefully this is a 10. Let's find out. Let's find out. It is a 10. We were right. Good job, friends. Now to help us with our learning our numbers that come after, I have a small little worksheet for you guys, okay? So what I want you to do is get your number line and get a pencil, a crayon, a marker, something to write with so you can work along with me. I'll wait for you guys to get it because I've got mine, okay? So go get yours. Did you get your writing utensil, your crayon, your pencil, your marker, your color pencil, something? You did? Awesome. Okay. So we're going to look here at this first box right up here. What number is this? It's 7. And what number is this? 8. Okay, so now we got to figure out what comes next in the box. So let's look for our 7. Oh, there's our 7. And here's our 8. So let's see. Right after 7 came 8. And what comes after 8? Just goes 1 to the right. It's 9. That's right. So we're going to write our 9 right here in this box. Ready? We're going to do a circle and a straight line down. Ta-da! We wrote our number 9. Good job, friends. Now let's try this one. What number is this? That's right. It's 3. And what number is this? 4. You're right. So let's go find our 3 on our number line. Whoop. There's our 3. And here's our 4. Did 4 come after 3? It did, because we went 1 to the right. Now what comes after 4? Go 1 to the right. It's 5. Let's write our number 5. Ready? Straight line across, little line down, and a sideways rainbow. Whoop. There's my 5. Did you guys write your 5 too? Good job. Oh, I think we can handle this one. We've seen this number before. What number is this again? That's right, it's 4. And look, we just wrote this number. What number is that? 5. So let's look at our timeline. Okay, here's our 4. Right after 4 came 5. Now what comes after 5? It's 6. Good job. Ready? We're going to start up at the top. We're going to write a big C. And we're going to finish that circle on the bottom. Ta-da! We wrote our 6. Good job, friends. Ooh, what number is this? It looks like a circle on top and a circle on bottom. That's right. It's an 8. And what number is this? It's a 9. So let's find it on our timeline, or our number line. Where's the 8? Where's the 8? Where's the 8? Oh, there's my 8. I have to stop. And where's my 9? Oh, right there. Okay, so let's see. After 8 comes 9. And after 9 comes 10. That's right. So 10 is part of our teens. Remember, teen numbers start with a 1. So we're going to write our number 1 first. Ready? It's a straight line down. Whoop. And then we're going to start here at the top, and we're going to do a big circle for a 0. Ta-da! We wrote our number 10. Good job. Oh, we saw this number. We just wrote this number. What number is this again? That's right. It's 10. Good job. And what number is this number right here? That's right. It's 11. So does it fit in our first number line? Nope. So we have to look at our second number line. Can we see it down here? Where's 10? Where's 10? Oh, there's 10. And where's 11? Yep, there it is. So here's 10. After 10 comes 11. And after 11 is 12. That's right. So we're going to write our 12. I'm going to hold my papers down. We're going to start at the top and do a straight line down. Now it's time for our 2. Ready? We're going to start up here. We're going to do a little rainbow, slide down the mountain, and cross the bridge on bottom. Ta-da! We did our 2. So that's our number 12. Okay, we got another box here. We can do it. What number is this number right here? That's right, it's 5. And what number is this number? That's right, it's 6. So let's look at our number line. Here's 5. What number comes after 5? 6. And what number comes after 6? 7. You're right. Good job. So we're going to write our number 7. It's going to start up top. Ready? We're going to cross the bridge up top and slide down the mountain. Ta-da! We wrote our number 7. 2 more, friends. We can do it. We're almost there. Okay, friends. Let's see. What number is this number? That's right. It's a 1. And what number is this? 2. Now we can figure this out without our number line. All we have to do is count. Can you help me count? Let's try. Ready? 1, 2. That's right. 3. 3 comes after 2. So let's write our 3. Ready? We're going to start up top. Ready? We're going to do our sideways rainbow. Ready? 1 sideways rainbow. 2 sideways rainbow. Whoopsies. There we go. Did you try your best? I know I tried my best. That's great job. Okay, we got one more box. We can do it. What number is this? It's a 3 with a 1 in front. That's our 13. You're right. And what's this number? 14. Okay. Well, we know it's not in this number line, so let's look in this number line. There's my 13. And where's my 14? Oh, right next to it. So after 13 is 14. And what comes after 14? 15. That's right. So let's write our 15. Ready? We're going to start here at the top. Ready? Straight line down. Shoom. Ready? Now it's time for 5. Little line across. Little line down. And big sideways rainbow. Woohoo! We did it. We wrote our 15. We finished the worksheet. Good job, friends. Now, I'm so proud of you guys and all the work you've done this week. I want you to have fun this weekend. I want you to go around the neighborhood or around your house, see what things are in line, and can you tell mom, dad, grandma, brother, sister what's in front? So what's before, what's in the middle, and what's after? I think you can, because I think you guys are pretty smart. Moms and dads, grandmas, grandpas, I want you guys to talk with your child about routines and what comes before, maybe during, and definitely after. So after lunch, we would have them sit quietly at the tables talking with their friends, or sitting on their mats quietly before we go to the bathroom, wash your hands, and get ready for rest time. For those who were staying for rest time, maybe you guys do something different. I don't know, but it'd be kind of fun to find out what you guys do for routines too. Let me know. Well, friends, I hope you have a fun weekend. I miss you guys like crazy, and I know I'm going to miss you over the weekend, and I can't wait to see you guys on Monday. Until next time, may God bless you and your families. Bye.